In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into Shopify from an Excel or CSV file. Whether you're moving your store from another platform or just starting your small business, importing products into Shopify using CSV files can save you a lot of time and effort. Follow along as we simplify this process for you. To start off, you'll want to navigate to the Products section of your Shopify store. This is your main hub for adding, managing, and organizing everything you sell. So, getting comfortable with this section is a great first step in managing your store effectively. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Import. And that's exactly what we're going to use today. Click on that, and this will take you to the Import interface, where you have the opportunity to breathe new life into your Shopify store by bringing in product data from a different platform. Now, once you've hit that Import button, you're going to select Import data from another platform. This feature is incredibly useful if you're transferring from different systems like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or any other platform where your products have been previously hosted. Importing data can seem a bit intimidating, but this step, designed by Shopify, aims to make things as straightforward as possible. After that, go ahead and click Next. This prepares the platform to receive incoming data and start setting up the import process. It's important to mention here that your CSV file should be properly formatted according to Shopify's requirements. If it's not, you might encounter errors, so it's always a good idea to download Shopify's sample CSV file and use that as your guide. Finally, you'll reach the step where you need to select the source from which you want to import your data. Here, it's crucial to ensure that you choose the platform or file type that matches the previous system's format. This accuracy ensures that product details such as titles, prices, descriptions, and images are imported correctly. Missing data or incorrect mapping can lead to additional work later on, so taking a bit of time to double-check this selection is well worth your while. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to import your products from an Excel or CSV file into Shopify. With these steps, you no longer need to manually input each product one by one, and you'll be able to move products between platforms seamlessly. This helps streamline the setup of your online store, allowing you to focus more on engaging with customers and growing your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials for all your e-commerce needs.